Hello everyone, I'm Yui. Welcome to Sino Tools 127th online Canton Fair Show. This is Jerry and Yui introduce for you.
Hello everyone, this is Jerry. Welcome to our showroom. Let's start with a brief introduction about our company. We started exporting hand tools 20 years ago and we expanded our business to safety tools, power tools, and garden tools.
Yes, you can see them.
Yeah, you can see them in our showroom. These are our samples. Here, screwdrivers,
the hammers,
locking pliers,
and the spanners,
and yes, tape measures,
and the wrenches.
Yes, have both cutters.
Yes, and also we can also do OEM and ODM for customers. We have helped many customers to build their own brand. At the same time, we have our own brand, and this one, the ProBuild. Yes, this is our own brand. And if you want the e-catalog, can send email to us. Here, our email address info@sinotools.com. Okay, now let me introduce you to our products. The first one, the claw hammer. Yes, it's a British claw hammer. And the size we can do from 220 grams to 800 grams. And the height, the number 45 carbon steel material. This one is polished surface treatment.
Yes.
And fiberglass handle. Double color fiberglass handle. We can laser your logo here. This is ProBuild. It's our logo, and we can also do OEM. Can laser our customer's logo here, and on the handle can have a sticker, can show your company information or product information here. Also, we have other tabs.
We also have this kind of claw hammer with hardwood handle. Here is laser logo on the head, and the head is also full polished surface treatment. And the material is also number 45 carbon steel with heat-treated surface working area. And on the handle, we also can print your logo on this area. And the size is we can produce is from 8 ounce to 24 ounce.
Yes, and we also have steel handle claw hammer like this one, and it's very strong. Jerry, you can try it.
Yeah, it's very, I feel it's heavy duty and very comfortable.
Yes, it's very strong and good quality.
Yes.
One of our hot selling items. Okay, and for this one, the package. Usually with a sticker on handle and OPP bag on the head can protect the head. We also have other packages like this one.
This is a hand card on the handle. We can print your company information and the hammer information on this card. And we can help you to design the contents on the card.
Yes, and for the MOQ, usually 1,000 pieces if you want to do OEM. But if you want less quantity, it's also acceptable. Just send your quantity and the product information to our email, info@sinotools.com. Let's see the next one. Yes, it's a ball pen hammer.
Yes.
You can see the surface. It's black paint, very nice color, and print your logo here. It's very clear. This is a hardwood handle. You can see the logo can engraved here, very clear. For the size, from 8 ounce to 24 ounce.
Yes.
Yes, we also have other handles.
For the ball pen hammers, we also have this fiberglass handle and outside is PP and TPR, and the size for this kind of hammer is 4 ounce to 48 ounce. And here, quality glue, and the surface treatment is for polished, and also laser logo on head. Oh, this area we can paste a color sticker with your company information and the hammer information. Okay.
Yes, for this one, the MOQ is also 1,000 pieces.
Yes.
Yes, you can send your inquiry to our email box info@sanotools.com.
Yeah.
Okay, you can take a photo for this hammer, and then if you want the price, can send email to us with this picture.
Yes. This one, fiberglass handle, open hammer.
Yes, and we can provide a free sample for you if you want to confirm the order.
Yeah. This one.
Yes, this one, the mini claw hammer. And the TPR handle very comfortable. It's very easy to carry.
Yes, I like it.
Yes, if you like the adventure, this one is just what you need.
Can be used in tight space, and the handle is very soft. It is made of TPR handle.
Yes, very comfortable.
Yes.
And what about the MOQ for this one?
This mini claw hammer is minimal order quantity is also 1,000 pieces. But if you can accept neutral package, and the quantity can be less.
Yes, you can send your inquiry to our email box info@sanotools.com.
Yes.
Okay, let's see the next one. This one, the Machinist hammer. Number 45 carbon steel material and black paint height. Here can later your logo. You can see this, our logo, ProBuilt, very clear. And this handle is hardwood handle. We can have a sticker here. Can show the product informations.
Yes, and your company information.
Yes.
Yes.
And here can include your logo. For this one, the MOQ is also 1,000 pieces. If you have any inquiry, you can send message to us in this page. Also can send email to our email box info@sanotools.com. Let's see the next one. This the high visibility blow hammer. You can see this.
Yes.
Okay, for the hammers, we today show you this, and we also have other hammers. You can see in our showroom. Okay, if you have any inquiry, you can send message to us. Also send email to our info@sanotools.com.
Yes.
So Jerry, let's begin the next item.
Okay.
The rivet gun. This is also one of our hot selling products. Rivet gun.
Yes.
Yes, we know the main part is the claw tablets, right?
Yeah.
And so this material is very hard. It's made of chrome molybdenum. Yes, chrome molybdenum steel.
Yes.
And
Also called CRMO.
yes.
Yes.
So it's very hard and sharp. The body material is A3 steel.
A3 steel is a low carbon steel, but it is enough for this tool.
Yes, it's enough for daily use.
Yeah.
And the surface treatment is red paint. You can also paint other colors.
And the paint is bright finish. It looks bright, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Other customers also acceptable. Yes, we see it has 4 northern.
Size, yeah.
Yes, has 2 sides. You can see 2.4 millimeters and 3.2 millimeters, 4 millimeters, and 4.8 millimeters. These 4 sizes are our common size. It's enough for your daily use.
Yeah. You can change it fast by this.
Yes,
small
it
wrench.
has a
Yes.
spanner. Yes, has a spanner here. We can place the nozzle very easily.
Yeah.
So Jerry, can you place it?
Yes.
Replace this.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, Jerry will show you how to replace the nozzle.
Lose these screws.
Yes, we lose this nozzle and change another.
This spanner is very small and easy to use, and it can.
Yes, and we also have other type. Yes, this is aluminum and carbon steel material for the body, and the claw tablets also made of chrome molybdenum steel, CRMO steel.
Yeah.
And can on here can later your logo. This is our logo pro-built. You can see it's very clear. And if you have your own logo, we can also laser here.
So what is the MOQ of this tool?
1,000 pieces. And
1,000.
if you want less quantity, that is also acceptable. Okay, just send your inquiry to us. info@sanotools.com. You can see here. If you want more items, you can view our website, sanotools.com.
Okay.
We have many types of hand tools. Okay.
Okay, I have changed it.
Yes, we can try to use it.
Okay.
So we have the top rivet.
Now.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Put it into the hole.
Okay. You can.
Okay.
Okay. Can you help me?
Yes.
Okay.
You can see we put the top rivet into this hole.
Yes. Put this long head into this hole and put this short side into what you want to clamp. Okay, now I will pull the 2 arms. Pull them together and separate. After you separate, and you need to put the tool forward to the bottom of the nail.
Okay.
Pull them again. Okay.
It's very easy.
Look.
Okay, we have finished it. It's very easy. So it must be a good quality rivet gun.
Yes.
Okay, for the package, we have this one, the PP card. Here had a hole. We can easily hang it into your showroom and your shop, and can show your customers here, and your customers very convenient to touch it. We also have other package.
This is
like
called
this.
a sliding card.
Can protect your products.
Yes. You can also hang these products on your shop.
Yes, also can show your company informations on the package. We also have this one, the double blister card.
Yes.
This is our brand, also our brand, Sano Tools.
Yeah, if you have your own brand, we can accept OEM and print your logo on the sliding card or this
one.
Yeah, on this
the
one.
Double blister card.
Yeah.
Yes, and we have our own designers. If you don't have your own brand, but you want to do your own brand, we can help you to design the logo and design your package.
Yes.
Yes, and our designers very professional in this field. I believe they will make the best work for you.
Yes.
And we also have the display box.
Yeah.
And you can show your products here. Like this. You can show about 10 products.
Yeah.
And for this side can show your company information or your logo or the product informations. We can also help you make the design. For the MOQ, about 1,000 pieces for this product. If you want less quantity, that is also acceptable. Just send your inquiry to us, info@sanotools.com. And we can also provide a free sample for you before you confirm the order.
Yeah.
Okay, Jerry, you want to show the customers for this one, right?
Yes. Next, I will introduce our another product, Ratchet wrench handle. Okay, this this is a ratchet wrench with 3/8 inches head drive. This size here is 3/8 inch. Besides, we can also make ½ inch and a 1/4 inch.
As we have many sizes.
Yes, and inside of the hand, there is a gear. We use chrome vanadium or chrome molybdenum, also called CRMO and CRV material.
Yes, chrome vanadium.
Yes,
steel.
they are all very hard material, very hard steel. And here is a switch that you can turn it left or turn right. And when you turn different direction, the drive can forward different direction.
Yes.
Look, you can lose when you lose nuts or screws. You can like this, and when you want to tight a screw or nuts, you can turn this left, turn this side like this. You can use like this.
Yes, and what's the surface treatment for this product?
You can see this surface treatment is very bright.
Yes.
And this is full polished and thin, chrome plated.
Yes, chrome plated.
Yeah.
Very bright.
Yes, we can also do other surface treatments like nickel plated.
Yes,
nickel plated is also very beautiful. And
okay.
Yes, these two surface treatments are very popular among our clients.
Yes, also our most selling items.
Yeah, here on this area we can print, make a leather logo on the handle. We can leather your company logo on this area. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, this is a steel handle. Yes, without any comfortable grip.
Yes,
not
we
like
have
this
type.
Yes, this one has a grip with PP and TPR, and this feels very comfortable. And you can use a very strong force while you work. Okay.
Yes. So, what's the package you recommend to our customers?
For the package, we recommend this PP hanging card.
Yes.
Of course, we can also do the color label, or
Color label.
yes, sliding card like this, sliding card,
Okay.
or double blister card like this. Okay, but among our clients, they mostly like use this PP hanging card because it is cost effective.
Yes.
You know, yes.
And it's also easy for customer to touch the products.
Yes, they can feel the product easily.
Yes.
Yes, and we can print your logo and the company information on the card, whatever you want to show on it.
Yes.
And if you don't have any design or artwork, we can help you to design it.
Yes.
Okay.
We have rich experience to OEM.
Yes.
So what's the MOQ for this item?
The minimum order quantity is 1,000 pieces.
Okay, 1,000
Yeah.
pieces.
But if you can accept neutral package or don't have any other special requirements about the products, we can. I think the MOQ can be less.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can send your inquiry to us info@sanotools.com. You can see here.
Yes.
Yes. And if you want to see any other items for the Ratchet rentals, you can see our website, sanotools.com.
Yes.
Okay. So
Okay.
what's our next item?
Next one is a bolt cutter.
Okay,
Yeah.
the
Yes.
bolt cutter. This one, the mini bolt cutter.
Yes, I think most.
This one, the 14 inches, very. Yes, it's our common size.
Oh, this is a heavy duty.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's very big.
Yes, very strong. Oh. Okay, let's introduce one by one.
Okay.
Okay, let's start from this mini bolt cutter. This is a mini bolt cutter. I think it is widely used in maybe home use, right?
Yes.
Yes, you may want to cut a steel wire or yes, or small nails.
Yes.
Yes, you can use this mini bolt cutter. Yes.
Yes.
And there is a okay. Here is
Had a lock.
has a lock. Yes. When you pull them together, and you can pull it up, and then it's locked.
Yes.
It's locked. Yes. And if you want to use it, open it, you can pull the switch off, and
Yes.
it is open.
What's
Okay.
this size?
This is I think 6-inch, or no, maybe 8-inch.
Yes, 8
Yes,
inch.
8-inch. But other sizes is also available.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So what's the surface treatment for this product?
For the surface treatment, you can see for the head, it is black painted.
Yes, it's our common surface treatment.
Yes, and for the arm, it is also painted, but in bright. It's a
Yes.
bright painted. It is
Okay.
orange, but other color also acceptable. Okay, and for the handle, this area, this is TPR coated. This is very soft and comfortable. You can use a strong force when you use it, and will not feel pain. Yes.
Yes. What's the MOQ for this one?
For this small one, the minimum order quantity is 1,000 pieces.
Okay, 1,000 pieces.
Yes.
We can also provide free sample for customers.
Yeah.
Before you confirm the order.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. The next
one is
yes.
14.
Yes,
14
inches.
Here is the size 14 inches, yes. And this is also a regular size among our clients. It is also sold well in the hardware shop.
Yes, our hot sale one.
Yeah. You can see this head surface treatment is different from this one.
Yes, different from this one.
Yes.
This is black.
This is for polished.
Yes, polished.
For polished, yes. And we will also spray some resistant oil on the head.
Yes, can protect the head.
Yes. And it will be not easy to get rust while shipping on the ship.
Yes.
Yes. And for the handle, for the arm and the handle, it is also the same with this one. No. Sorry. These arms are also bright painted, but in different color. Okay. For the handle, this one is PVC handle.
Yes. PVC
but,
handle.
Yes, it is ergonomic design.
Yes.
Look, you can.
Very good.
Yes. A regular size.
Yes. What's the package for this product?
Okay. For the package, you can see. This is a
sticker.
A flag label.
Yes, flag label.
It is. Of course, you can also choose a color label. If a color label, we can paste the color label on the arm.
Yes.
This area or here.
Yes.
Yes.
We can show your company information on the color label.
Yes, we can print your logo, company logo, or company information, or the bolt cutter size information on it.
Yes.
And besides, we can also make laser logo on this area, on the head connecting plate. Here.
Yes, laser logo is very clear.
Yes.
What's the MOQ?
For this size,
14 inches.
Yes, or 14 inch. It is the MOQ is less than this one. It is 800 pieces.
Yes, 800 pieces. Yeah. You can send the inquiry to us info@sanotools.com.
Yeah.
Okay, we also have other size for this product.
Okay, the next one is a heavy duty, very strong bolt cutter. This size tool is very less used in our home, I think. Yes, it is industrial, used in some special place.
Yes, some special
place.
Yeah,
like a building material shop, or if some guys want to buy a rebar or very thick steel wire.
Okay.
Yes. You can use this to cut the rebar. Yes.
Yes. So we will try it for you.
Try with this one. Okay.
Which one?
This one. Okay. Oh, I think it must be very easy. Okay, be careful. Yeah. Forward the. Okay. Then.
Oh, very easy.
Yes.
It must be very sharp.
Yeah.
Looks strong. Good quality. Yes.
It is 24 inch. 24 inches. Yes.
24 inches.
Yeah.
So the MOQ must be less than these two.
Yeah.
What's the MOQ?
The minimum water quantity is 500 pieces.
Yes.
And also, the surface treatment is black painted and bright paint on the arms and PVC handle here, PVC handle. And we can, for the package, we can also make like this one. Flag label,
yes.
or a color label.
Yes, color label like this one.
Like this one, yeah.
Yes, on the handle.
Yeah, paste on this area.
Yes,
here.
like this sticker on the leg.
Yeah. Print your company information and bolt cutter information.
Yes, also hand card on the hole. You can see
yes.
here has a hole.
Correct.
Yes, we can make a hand card. The hand card can show your company information.
Yes.
And also can white box or color box for this product. It's very it's very heavy.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
very strong.
Be careful. Yes.
Yes. So if you have any inquiry, you can send message to us. Also can send email to our info@sanotools.com. For more items, you can view our website sanotools.com.
Yes. Okay. By the way, I want to mention. I forget one point. For the forehead.
Yes.
The forehead was heat treated. So,
okay, hot treated.
Yes, the forehead are very hard.
Okay.
Include the balls and the nuts and the connecting plates.
Heat treated.
Yeah, are all heat treated.
Okay.
It has a very hard hardness.
Yes.
It's
Any
a quality tool. Yeah. Quality tool.
Okay, thanks for your time.